flan, a classic Puerto Rican dessert that never fails to impress. It's creamy, sweet, and oh so delicious. And the best part, it's actually quite easy to make. All you need are a few simple ingredients and a little bit of patience. To start, you'll need some sugar. About a cup should do the trick. You'll want to melt the sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a nice golden brown color. Be careful not to burn it though, as that can give your flan a bitter taste. Once the sugar is melted, pour it into a round baking dish and swirl it around to coat the bottom. This will be the caramel layer that gives the flan its signature sweetness. Next, you'll need some eggs. About 6 should be enough. Beat them in a bowl until they're nice and frothy. Then add in some sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and vanilla extract. Mix everything together until it's well combined. Pour the mixture over the caramel in the baking dish. Then cover the dish with aluminum